Hi guys, let's make a dates and walnut cake today. I am sharing the easiest and the most delicious cake recipe with you. Literally anyone can make this cake. It's that easy and it happens to be healthy too. Let's go. Start by soaking some pitted dates in hot milk. Soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, blend it into a fine paste. So this cake is not very sweet. You can add 3 to 4 tablespoons jaggery or any sweetener of choice if you like more sweeter cakes. For my palate, the sweetness from dates is good enough. Now transfer this paste into a mixing bowl. Add olive oil, vegetable oil or any neutral oil. Add vanilla extract and mix well. Now add whole wheat flour, some baking powder and baking soda. Then add some milk. Now mix everything only until combined. Now fold in some chopped walnuts to add some crunch in our cake. You saw how simple it was to make the cake batter. I love this recipe because it gets ready quickly in just 3 to 4 steps. Now take a 6-inch cake tin, add parchment paper at the bottom and grease the tin with oil. Transfer the batter into the cake tin. I feel toppings are so important in every cake. It makes the cake 10 times more prettier and exciting. Here I have added chopped walnuts and chopped chocolates. Bake the cake for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I had preheated my oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now let the cake cool down before demolding it. And we have a healthy, super flavorful cake ready. It goes perfectly with tea or coffee. I love the flavors. I want you to try this easy cake recipe ASAP. So when are you baking it for yourself? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Follow me on Instagram at @eateriescrush. And let me know your recipe requests in the comments below. Bye!